Aji we kamataya bauping. Ramganing Muiva IAS retired intending candidate 44 AC Ukru Walters official t-shirt launch Sami Haira. 72 hours shutdown kasana Manipur we alungli Kangacha Karing Karagli Sheikh Khawut Nasak Haira. ADC Bill 2021 table Masami Mada Economic blockade kasale kagatom jithe kahai long now ping psycho rele at samna ningkashi pongshok haira. Lekhayangator the Tangkhul Express News Ringphawon Zimik in a pamidalay achu bao maisa aina nganang rumsa. Ramganing Muiva IAS retired intending candidate 44 AC Ukruna Aji Zimik Econ Office Tungre Humbungli Walters official t-shirt launch Sami Haira. Walters Club hi Kangareoli Ning Sanglak Kahai Ashi Mijukona 2018 li Semkakana. Kala Achu Rashungda Kipanaka sponsor Masala Atum Kalatana Matalak Aina manage Salaga Zadrada Kalena. Club hi sem ka khuiwi kamataya ningrinwa shokrada khale katamnaw kala khangareoli ning the sang pingli katom khawaina chihaira kala club hi sem ka atamli basketball khangareo hiwi platform malay salak mana da hanga khangate ningrin akhawa phasa phada kapam kala health consciousness hi lengsa khawaina da phongshok haira club hi na chingum kuthum manga samlak la tournament Rungmida Tingum Kutum Kahaira 2019 Kum Club Tarada Kutumna Razanga Kala Juwing a Chide Club Shinina District Katewe Aina Ragazangna Achagum hi COVID-19 pandemic hina Maramsada tournament hi district we alungli mangli show me the Rungmi Kahaina Kala player Kani hi state level Kapangkuya the Hortingshang CS Executive Walters Club na Pongshok Haira. Kazib Jili Taiso, President DYO, President Kala Karanao Bingzangda mi 40 to 50 Shukana Razanga. Kamiwo, Guest of Honor Sir Ramganing Muivana, Awiring Pa Kala Ningashi Taraka Pongshok Haira. Achu itumi icons ping hi, politicians Maning Lui Manada, Awi speech li Hang Haira. India ling Reoda Kala boxing, golf, tennis Kala. Cricket hi okutwina yangkalak aina leida pongshok haira. 72 hours shutdown kasana Manipur we alungli Kangacha Karing Karagli Sheikh Khawut Nasak Haira. BJP government na Maitei now pingli neglect kasawiwang aina World Maitei Council na 72 hours shutdown kasawiwang Manipur tambagwi Kangacha Karing Karagli hapka khano mi haira. Essential services Kazata Kari Maningla, Shongfuli Mazadmana, Kala government services, banks, Hikatata Saikora, Masholak Mana, Kapung districts Pingli at some Kala Kangatay Long Nauna, Kangahot economic blockade Hina, Maram Sada Friday Ngaya, Sailongwi Aina Twilaga, Kangachawi, Karing Karagli Taraka, Sheikh Khawut, Nasak Haira. Atumna ADC 2021 bill state government recommend Masakami Wivang Narugapamna. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Hanga indefinite economic blockade kasa maning mana ka kapung apam tiawmai khali kathing khakham khalai mana kala metara khana blockade hili ka katom malai mana langmeda ADC chairman Saikorana Atumi khak kala khangashik khika malai mana da hangluya jainang soda shongfuli panda khale commercial kari Saikora security escort changlaga khuyungra da leida hanga Ana hangluya tuishot hi state assembly na ngusungki kachi maning mana ka parliament na saki kachi na da reader minister phungkasa okram choi na hangda HAC na bill hili katom khawai pangshap malai mana kala assembly secretary na governmently recommend sa khawai pangshap malai mana da world Maitei council na centrally Maitei now ping hi shoulder tribe list sangmi khawai ngatanra shumda khalaina ADC Bill 2021 table Masami Mada economic blockade kasali achawanthang Manipur police na tribal leaders to kukui outsakle makhamaya phongshok the tribal katha naw ping chuli kagatom chithei ka hai long naw ping psychorale at samna ningshi phongshok haira ADC movement wiwang KSO GHQ aina and samna sarkarle chan nga je khui kharali sami ka hai wiwang la at samna ningshi taraka phongshok Tangkhul Katamnao Saklong Snapadi District Students Association, Naga Students Union Chandil, Zilengrong Students Union Manipur, Joint Students Bodhi Churachambur, KSO Sadar Hills, KSO Technobal, KSO Juribam and Tamenglong, KSO Jandil, KSO Ukhrul, KSO Imphal Manipur University Tribal Students Union, All College Tribal Students Union Imphal, DM University Tribal Students Union, Joint Higher Secondary School Tribal Students Union, Tangkhul Katamnao Long Imphal, Tamenglong Concerned People's Forum, Tamenglong Village Students Federation Hiping Hina, Mathalak Aina Kutomi Hairada at Samna Ningkushi Pongshoka. Manipur Mang Maningla Nagaland Wak Aina Naga Students Federation Ala Manipur Shorkarwe Otsak Chili Makamaya Pongshokta at Sam Kala Tribal Naupingli Kakutom Pongshoka. Chuwivangla Ningkushi Taraka Mihaira, Jainang Soda Economic Blockade Kasajuna, Satsa Kahai Kari Kathau Nauping Kala, Yarina Kuchod Kachang, Pungmi Kahai regret Sayada at Samna Pongshoka. BJP with President JB Nada Achontang State Li Ungzangda Aya Public Meeting Aka Kwikahaira. Gazip Chili Nada na Chief Minister N. Biren Singh with Shorkar na Regasang Otmanga Kukwili. Masod mida Rakhara Atamli Manipur Hina Sports Infrastructure Mathamai Kap Kachi State Ngasara da Hanga. Zingum Panga Mamangli Manipur Hi Stable Masamana Achi State Hili BJP with Prime Minister Karena Thanda Shangfu Thong Samsung Dalai. Rail lines la Samsung Dalai Kala Manipurli National Highway Tharada Thuruk Semdalai Kachi Hi JB Nada na Hanga. Sports li Manipur Manga Shong Muivada Lake Kachi Hangda National Sports University la Multiple Sports Complex la State Hili Semda Lake Kachi Hang Sanga. BJP with National President China Inner Line Permits Policy Maramli la Hang Sangda Ayar wi mi Kipanaka Manipur wi Leha hi Land Rights Maling Saklak Mara Kachi N. Biren Singh Shorkana ensure Saya Chia. PM Krishi Sajay Yojana we Odla Manipurli Mathalak Aina Sahairada Water Harvesting Ponds Shaka Kada Semihaira Irrigation Channel Tharada Aka Semhaira Kala Shimlak Lakhani Langdale Mangkhawai Terakathar Connection Mihaira Kachi Hi Hangsanga Kala PM Modi Shorkarna Manipur wi Shimlak Lakhani Tangkhai Shikhale Toilet la Semihaira Kachi Hi Hangsanga Manipur wi Healthcare Workers Kala Stand Up India Scheme Sada Khalaidila BJP President China Masot Mihaira India we state Pangali Tingu Masaki da Khalai election we Kangaran Sada Election Commission a private firmly Hosanki da Ledalai Election we Wang Shorkarna private firmly Hogasang hi Kareng Saya Election Commission a hire Kasa private firm China election process coverage Kasale monitor Samilaga state Pingchili election Maramli Kathada Laili Kuchichi Election Commission li feedback Miki Kuchina Hidade hire Kasahi election Sagida Kale Uttar Pradesh Punjab Uttarakhand Guakala Manipur we aina ground feedback Atam Chada Samphankawai Kasana da ECI we spokesperson Shefali Sharan Hang Hi Wivang agency ping na propose Sakawai beating Wivang Achuwi Tarik Tumra aina tangda Atam Mihaira Election Commissioner Kapangukui private firm Chiwi Otmurut Pingchia ECI Kala Rarada Kale election Wivang Sada Kale Maram Media Le Kushok Cycle Track Saki Kuchina State Track Salaga Tegukui analysis report Mira Kala News Aina Opinion Media Le Kazachi positive neutral ka negative Kala Kuchi Hila Atumna Yankwiki Kuchina Pradhan Mantri Garib Ana Yojana we Azingli Khalem Aina Sam Committee Kachang Mati Kasesang Mida Tinguma March Mayo Kachang Aina Tangda Mikhawai Union Cabinet na Miami Haira BMG KAY we Samji ration card holders Pingli Kachang Akali KG Panganga Kamina ration card holder crore Hang Tishat Kadali Kamina Chia BMG KAY scheme we Azingli Khalem Aina Food Grain Committee COVID-19 Mimao Atamle Kacham Nao Pingli Ngachon Kamisada Sharkarna Achakum Mayo Kachang Aina Hopo Kamina Achiwi BMG KAY scheme Hina Face Kapangana Kalahi December Kayon Aina Hopok da Singuma March Mayo Kachang Aina Tangda Wivangna South Africa li coronavirus ayur gathar samphangda ogutu wi apam ngatai tai dali ning kharikngsakhaira South Africa li samgapang coronavirus ayur jiwe aming B.1.1529 aina zadalai. Scientists na kahang atishuda COVID aku mutate kasa ngachai B.1.1529 hi zakshi makeup kachi aku ngasadalai. South Africa li coronavirus ayur gathar samphangda ogutuwe apam ngatai dali ningkharik ngasakhaira. South Africa li samgapang coronavirus ayur jiwe aming B.1.1529 aina zadalai. Scientists na kahang atishuda COVID aku mutate kasa ngachai B.1.1529 hina zakshi makeup kachi variant ngasadalaya. B.1.1529 variant pahi marlak aina mutate sakahai aku sahauda Wuhan China we aina kushok COVID variant chi aina ngate hang haira chia jiwi ka khaladwa arihon itumna COVID ari kapda khale hila B.1.1529 variant hili effective chia ka masa marau manada hangdalai kala aku jiwi khangache mong china coronavirus hi thakmai spread sakang sakla thekhuida lechia hangda khale hi South Africa we apam akhale shokta thara kha apam katailila spread sahairura kachi ningkhamong leidalai maram hi wiwang WHO nala aya ngasan ngurumda B.1.1529 wi maram mathamai thekhui khawai studies hapokhaura kachi tahaira Nordic Week Career Sports Conclave aya Guwahati li mayon haira. Conclave chili Nordic apam li Leida Clay Sports Ecosystem maram li ngasan ngarum haira. Nordic Sports Conclave chi Sports Star na host Samida Klayna. Chile Assam Chief Minister Himanda Biswa Sharma aina Union Minister for Youth Affairs and Sports Anurag Singh Thakur Anila Wazanga. Olympic li silver medal samkapangwa weightlifter Mirabai Janu aina bronze samkapangwa boxer Lovelina Bogorhan Anila conclave chili Wazanga. Kazip chili Nordics with traditional sports maramlila Karajan Sahaira. Kala Nordics India with sports hub ngasakawai maramlila ngasanhaira. Indian football captain Sakasa Paijum Pushya Saiwi Director Sadish K. Saharti, Guwahati RC, Gothajit Singh Kala MC Maricom Atumnala Tegukui Hangsangaroka. Assamese Ngachaili Asian Games Goal Sampankare Bogeswar Buroli Rani Chili Felicitate Samia. Break with Tili Nganangrum Lushitsa.
Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa opposite Unique Kids Preschool, Hamlekong, Ukhrul. Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa, Bangalore branch. Salon Hilly, hair coloring, facial, hair spa, hair dressing, manicure, pedicure, bridal makeup, hair straightening, wax epilation, head massage, foot massage, full body massage, male and female separate Samia. Ukhruli professional salak kahai, well-trained staff recruit Salaga run Sadakle Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa na. Arihon Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa li heavy Christmas offer later. Ralu Ramiserlu Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa li. For booking information, please call 9383-274-303 or visit us.
Senior Women's National Football Championship Akama Kerala li Hapoki Dalaya. Kayon Tarik Tishat Aina Tangda Savaki Kuchi Women's National Football Championship Chili Manipuri Team Sangda Team Tharada Khani Wazang Haira. India with Senior Women's National Team la Rakara AFC Asian Cup Wivang Kangaran Sadale. India li Saki Kuchi AFC Asian Cup 2022 hi Tharau Kachang li Hapoki Dalaya. Shuri Lily Cup Tournament li aya nago aina aim ngariaw da aim na langai akha joro aina yui haira. Achung shun pung akha li Draw Football Club aina Yerkok United Football Club ngariaw ki dalaya. Shuri Lily Tournament with match kuchi da DD na live coverage sami dalaya. Mawa kharaping na channel li yangkhui milo. Senior National Sepak Takraw Championship li Manipur wi Shinau team na khui samphang haira. Mayor now will stayed with team Kakutuma Sada Kapangsanga. 31st Senior National Sepak Takraw Championship Sepak Takraw Federation of India na Makhok Mida lovely professional University Lisa ka haina Final match achawan thang ngarew da Manipur wi shinau team china UP wi team li ngarew da 21-6 21-10 aina khuyi samphanga Ayang Jin we report Athishu the Ukhrul district li COVID positive mi masam phangmana COVID second wave khara hili Ukhrul district li Ari Rashung da COVID positive samphang ka hai hi Thingkha Shajishat Hangjishat da mati ka shung haira Ari Shankala COVID care center we aina mi khani li aya discharge sada Aruri Ukhrul district li COVID ka gaza mi machine shini leida DSO report na chithemiya Latluida achui khamta ya pawping Ramganing Muiva IAS retired intending candidate 44 AC Ukhrul Walters official t-shirt launch Sami Haira 72 hours shutdown kasana Manipur we alungli khangacha kharing kharagli Sheikh Khawut nasak Haira ADC Bill 2021 table masami mada economic blockade kasale kagatom chithei ka hai long now ping psycho rele at samna ningkashi phongshok haira Achu pau henang chang haira paungana da khlai na tum psycho rele ringpha kala kham haya jimcho ngsa serano